How to travel to Italy for free. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever dreamed of visiting Italy, exploring its rich history, tasting authentic pasta, and enjoying breathtaking views without spending a dime? Well, in this video, I will show you how you can travel to Italy for free, using some creative strategies and opportunities available to travelers. Stay with me until the end because I am about to reveal some game-changing travel hacks. Number 1. Work exchange and volunteering. One of the best ways to travel to Italy for free is through work exchange programs. Websites like Workaway, WWOF, and helps connect travelers with hosts who provide free accommodation and meals in exchange for work. This could be helping on a farm, teaching English, working in a hostel, or assisting with eco-projects. These programs not only cover your stay, but also immerse you in the local culture, making your experience even more rewarding. Number 2. Scholarships and study programs. Did you know that Italy offers various scholarships for international students? If you are a student or planning to study abroad, you can apply for fully funded programs such as the Italian government, scholarships, regional scholarships, and Erasmus Plus programs. These scholarships often cover tuition fees, accommodation, and even provide a monthly allowance. Studying in Italy can be an amazing way to experience the country for free while earning a valuable qualification. Number 3. Sponsored travel and competitions. Another fantastic way to visit Italy for free is by winning travel competitions or securing sponsored trips. Many companies, travel brands, and airlines host contests where winners get free flights, accommodation, and guided tour. Check out platforms like Global Degree, travel grants from organizations, or even content creation opportunities with tourism boards. You never know, your next trip to Italy might be on the house. Number 4. Teaching and remote work. Teaching English or working remotely while traveling is another great way to cover your costs. Websites like Teachaway and Vipkid allow you to teach English online while you explore the world. If you have skills in writing, design, or tech, freelancing can fund your travels while you experience the beauty of Italy. Number 5. House sitting and couch surfing. Imagine staying in beautiful homes for free. House sitting allows you to take care of someone's home and sometimes pets while they are away. Platforms like Trusted House Sisters and Nomador connect travelers with homeowners. Another option is couch surfing, where locals host travelers for free. It is a great way to meet new people and get insider tips on exploring Italy. Number 6. Crowdsourced funding and travel grants. Did you know that some people fund their travels through crowdfunding? Websites like GoFund and Kickstarter allow you to raise funds for your trip by sharing your travel goals with friends, family, and the public. Additionally, various organizations provide travel grants for educational, research, or cultural exchange trips. Be sure to check out foundations and nonprofit organizations that support travelers with a purpose. Number 7. Joining an international conference or fellowship. If you are a professional, student, or researcher, you can apply for international conferences and fellowships. Many organizations cover travel and accommodation for participants. Not only do you get to visit Italy for free, but you also gain valuable experience, network with professionals, and grow in your field. So there you have it, traveling to Italy for free is absolutely possible if you take advantage of these opportunities. Whether through volunteering, scholarships, competitions, remote work, house sitting, crowdfunding, or fellowships, you can explore Italy without breaking the bank. Which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.